Hello friends and welcome back to the Recognition channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOTAC China exclusive RTX 5060 Ti X Gaming Black graphics card. So friends, ZOTAC unveiled the GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16 GB X Gaming Black graphics card to be exclusive to the Chinese market. So friends, the company is co-branding the card with DreamWorks movie and How to Train Your Dragon, The Hidden World, and the card feature a matte black board design with top side that has a holographic surface that's glitter colors, and the card is 32 centimeters in length and 2 slot thick, and it uses aluminium fin stack heatsink that's ventilated by 370 axial airflow fans, and the PCB is two-thirds the length of the card, and so much of the airflow from third and second fans flow through the heatsink and out of the backplate, and there is no mention of factory overclock speed. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.